Hey guys, I'm Dr. B from Reed Medical Group in Lakewood Ranch, and we want to take you on a tour of our office today. We have a waiting room area in the entrance, but you're not going to be waiting long. Come on this way. In our first room, you're going to find a nice area to do our blood work. We're going to do your weight in the room so that you make sure that it's private as well, since we do some weight loss therapy as well. But this is a standard exam room, so we can do all of your visits and physical exams here as well. You're going to have a lab area here to the left. You're going to have your blood drawn in the office. We can also do urine samples if you need for UTI or just regular screening labs. We also have an autoclave, which we use to sterilize all of our procedure tools, which we can do in the office, such as pellet procedures. We also have some other special testing if you may need that we can do all here in the clinic. In room 2, we're going to have a really nice consult area. So we're going to do any conversations we need to have first before we need to proceed on to a physical exam. We can do women's health exam, again, procedures, pellets, laceration repairs, injections in this bigger area as well. Again, we have weights that we can do in the room, your vitals, of course, an eye exam if that's a concern. Again, all your blood work and your standard physical exam all in this room. But again, we can have a nice chat before you get into the physical exam area. So we're going to go to my office, which is a big space. Again, we can have an area for any meetings that we need to have. If we want to just sit down and have a conversation first, if we don't really need to have an exam that day. At my desk, I'm going to be making phone calls to patients, but also telemedicine visits, which we can do right from here. So you don't necessarily need to come in the office, especially if it's like a lab review visit. We have a conference area that we're going to have provider meetings, staff meetings, so that everyone's on the same page. We like to make sure we're communicating as a team so that we can be a team together for you, and that will be in the best interest of the patient, that we're all on the same page. Of course, we have patient bathrooms and staff bathrooms. We have a nice little staff area. And towards the back office, you're going to find our awesome back office team. These are the people you're going to hear from when they're setting up your appointments to specialists, any imaging appointments. So we have Sam here in the corner. We have Tosh, and we have our coordinator, Courtney. They're usually on the phones because they're taking your patient phone calls and, again, setting up those appointments for you to make it easier on you. And this has been a tour of our office. We have a lot more to show in the future, but hang tight for that, and you'll see that in the future.